Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best deodorizers for trash cans in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Simplehuman Odorsorb Pod Starter Pack. These Odorsorb pods can be attached to the underside of any trash lid with an adhesive strip. The pods use plant-based oils to combat odors, making them an eco-friendly alternative. These active ingredients are all natural, using a precise formula of plant oils, fine-tuned to neutralize odors that occur in trash, no harsh chemicals and no cover scents. With a microporous membrane, the oils are continually released at an exact dosage over 45 days. For that reason, each pod is equally effective every single day of its lifespan. Each pack comes with 2 pods and a pod holder, which makes them easy to remove and replace. The pod holder has an adhesive strip that can be conveniently attached under a trash can lid. With such a simple installation process, our tester says that almost anyone can use this easy tool to combat smelly trash cans. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wick Stick UPS Air Freshener. You'll find that these effective and affordably priced air fresheners are small enough to tuck under the lid of a trash can. With adhesive tape on the back, they can cling to almost any dry surface. The benefit of using sticks on deodorizers, such as Wick, is that they have the same odor-fighting effect without the powdery mess, explains Homer. Plus, the air fresheners come in a few scent options: lavender and chamomile, sparkling citrus, and crisp breeze. By twisting the disc, you can easily adjust the amount of fragrance that's released. It comes in packs of 2, and each puck lasts up to 30 days. Although they may need to be replaced more frequently than other options, they offer an affordable price point. They can also be tucked away in a variety of other spots throughout your home, including closets, bathrooms, and litter boxes. For best results, they should be placed directly at the source of odors. The adhesive tape may not be super strong, but you can easily reapply your own tape to reinforce it. Note that air fresheners simply diffuse fragrance, which means they mask odors rather than eliminate them. The manufacturer explains that the wicks can also cause skin irritation if touched, so it's best to keep them away from children and handle them with caution and care. Number 3. Our third best pick is Fresh Wave Odor Eliminating and Amp Deodorizing Packs. While Fresh Wave packs can be used just about anywhere, we found that they are super effective at eliminating odors when placed strategically at the bottom of a trash can. Each resealable pouch contains 6 odor-fighting satchels, which are small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. But don't let their compact size fool you, they have big odor-fighting capabilities. The packs are stuffed with deodorizing beads that contain plant-based ingredients, such as lime, pine needle, and cedar wood, and leave your garbage smelling oh so fresh. Each pack will last up to 60 days before needing to be replaced. At less than $2 per pod, they also offer a good price to performance ratio. This product is available in 3 scents: original, lavender, and lemon. You may have mixed feelings about the smell. Some find it pleasant, and others find it strong. On a positive note, it has the power to eliminate the worst trash smells, including pet urine and discarded seafood, which is why it's our top pick. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Stinky Bins Absorbing Granules. These granules absorb spilled liquids and sludge, converting them into odor-free, stable compounds. For best results, spread a thin layer on the bottom of an empty trash receptacle or garbage bag. Because the product immediately neutralizes odor-causing bacteria and eliminates the source that attracts flies, you'll find that this product is an excellent choice for outdoor trash cans. While Stinky Bins doesn't eliminate odors entirely, it's a biodegradable solution, making it an eco-friendly alternative to chemical-based cleaners. According to the manufacturer, 3 ounces is an adequate amount to treat your garbage can for a week, meaning a 24-ounce package should last about 2 months. Plus, if you love the smell of cherries, then you'll love the Stinky Bins scent, too, and find it pleasant rather than overpowering. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is remodeez Trash Can Deodorizer. Made of activated charcoal from coconut husks, these trash can deodorizers are unscented, and use an eco-friendly method to eliminate odor. These adhesive pods contain a charcoal pouch that is surrounded by a foam casing with ventilation holes. The charcoal bags attract and pull moisture from the air, which helps to get rid of smells. Thanks to 3M dual lock technology, the deodorizers stick to almost any surface, including garbage lids and recycling bins. You might find that the sticker won't adhere well and may come loose over time. An easy fix is to reapply the pod with double-sided tape. The purple deodorizer is specifically designed for use in trash cans. However, the charcoal deodorizers also come in 3 other colors and are intended for a specific purpose: fridge, litter box, and shoe deodorizing. According to the manufacturer, activated charcoal can last up to a year. If that's the case, you'll certainly get your money's worth. To recharge the charcoal pouch, just place it out in the sun for a few hours. While the outer casing is not recyclable, once the pouch is totally spent, the carbon powder can be composted in a garden. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.